Alright guys, I'm back with another video. This time is some of the cargo haulers that I have. Starting with this Hitch and Tow from Greenlight in conjunction with Miho. I love my GTRs. Pretty sweet that it actually, together with Ford and Goodyear, they made this little setup of tow rig, trailer, and your good old GTR in the Goodyear livery. Cut that bad boy open in a minute. And you got your typical Hot Wheels car culture, team transport. This one is with Greddy livery, the Nissan Laurel. I believe it was in the Japanese Historics. There's the rest that are in the set. I wasn't too interested in the rest of them. Gotta love my imports. So I'll open that one up. And here's another team transport, this one with the Datsun 510. This used to be hard to find. Now you can go to Walmart and it's literally packed full on the pegs along with the JDM Legends Skyline. That one. And now they've re-released it in new transports. So, yay! And last but not least, good old Falcon livery, Mercedes-Benz 190E. I love the Falcon livery, probably the best. And there's the other three that are part of this collection. So let's go ahead and start with this one. I like to keep some of the art, especially when it's my Falcon. I don't know how many of you guys actually keep these. You have a display of them. Let me know in the comments below if you do, so I can check out your videos. So I'd really love to see some of these collections. Last but not least, this one's probably gonna be the worst to open. I hate these clamshells, but go ahead and start with this one. Oh, the truck has a lot of weight to it. That's pretty sweet. I'll leave the little piece in there. So here's the tow rig. Got the khaki interior. Can't really tell in there, but pretty sweet wheels. Kind of match up with the GTR. Get the black spoiler. I like the tail lamps on this thing. Yellow headlights. It's like that overlay that a lot of race cars have. Pretty sweet. And then here's the truck with the good old tow hitch. It actually moves a little. I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks like a metal bottom. They both have metal bottoms. Plastic on the trailer. Let's take a look here. There's two little notches. One here and then one here. This one's for the ball. And then the other one is kind of the crank down. I can see how this would be an awesome setup for pretty sweet setup. Especially if you wanted to set up like a race. Someone's coming in and dropping off their car in the pits or whatnot. That rolls pretty good too. Let's see, put that back on there. Like so. GTR can get loaded up. Very sweet. Let's move this bad boy out of the way. Let's bust out this Datsun and all of its overhypeness that everyone keeps buying these up by the truckloads. Now it kind of looks the same as the Falcon truck. I believe it is because they are Fleet Flyers. The wheels on this one are not the same as on the Datsun. But you gotta love the Datsun because it's got a roll cage in it finally. I don't know if I haven't been paying attention, but a lot of them don't have good cages in them. Headlamps are different. Loving the wide stance. Not a bad car. I thought I was going to be sadly disappointed, but really good job. You can see inside there. There is a piece of plastic. If I can just get it out of there. There we go. They all get caught up on this little lip. So I guess they haven't figured that out yet. They sit pretty snug. It's got like a roll-up door kind of effect to it. Pretty tight. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Same setup, pretty much, except it has the same TEs, T37s from Race, but no roll cage. This is what I'm talking about. Race car, no roll cage. Race car, no roll cage. But nonetheless, pretty aggressive stance. God, I love this Falcon livery. It is awesome. They do bang around in there a lot. So So I'm gonna have to just put them in my case. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got that cool little one wiper. Like that touring car type deal. Mercedes logo on the front. Beautiful headlights. Love those wheels. I might actually have to take these off of here. Cool. And last but not least, the Laurel. Good livery on the back. Side, color scheme throughout. Very low. I don't know if you can see compared to the rest of them, they all have a pretty decent stance, but the Laurel is significantly lower than both of them. Roof line. These look like the old Works wheels or Weds. I'm not proficient with the different types, but it's one of them. Good livery on the hood. Deck lid. Right-hand drive. JDM goodness. Over fenders. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll keep putting out more material. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be doing some extra videos actually of my Evo. So stay tuned for those, and I'll keep coming with these reviews. If I can find the Hot Wheels in the wild, because I've kind of struck out a couple days in a row, actually a couple weeks in a row. I do have a couple of vehicles that I did pick up the other day. One being the RS STI. I think it's the RS, if that's the two-door STI that everyone's been looking for with the blue flake and gold wheels, basic edition. But I'll do a review on that, compare it with some of my other Subaru. And I actually was able to get the Fast and Furious Off-Road Collection Subaru STI hatchback. So I'll bring that out too. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.